Good morning students, welcome to Animax tutorial. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please like and share. So students, previous exercise we have learned about the mode and mean. So today we are going to learn about a median. The formula of median is given as median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by small f into h. Already we have learned what is the terms of n, what is CF and what is f, what is L and what is h. So here let us recap that formula. L is nothing but the lower boundary of the highest class frequency. N is nothing but the total number of frequency. CF is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the preceding highest class of frequency. F is nothing but the highest class of frequency. H is nothing but the difference or the difference between the class intervals or the height of the class interval, right? So based on this formula we are solving exercise 14.3. so in that first question is find median of the height of 51 girls of class 10th. Height is given and number of girls is given. So here before going to solve a problem you have to see whether your class interval is regular or not. So here class interval is not given. So instead of class interval they have given less than 140, less than 145, less than 150 and so on. And here number of girls is given as in increasing order. If you see it is of increasing order. So this is not your frequency and this is not your class interval. Now based on this height we need to find a class interval. So class interval is nothing but less than 140 and here less than 145. So first as usual we can write as less than 140. Now see the difference between these two. The difference is 5. So I can write this one as 140 to 145, next 145 to 150, next 150 to 155, next 155 to 160, next 160 to 165. So like this we have got our class interval. Now after finding the class interval, next you need the value of frequency. Now how to find the frequency of this? Now in 9th class we have learned about how to convert that values in the frequency. So if it is of increasing order we can denote this as less than cumulative frequency, right? Now how to find the less than cumulative frequency? We are adding the frequency of the next classes, right? Now here what we are doing, the first value as it is we are writing as 4, and for the next value we are subtracting, means 11 minus 4. So 11 minus 4 is 7. Next 29 minus 11 is nothing but 18. Next 40 minus 29 is nothing but 11. Next 46 minus 40 is nothing but 6, and 51 minus 46 is 5. So like this we got a frequency. So whenever you want to have in the terms of class interval and frequency, you convert these terms in terms of class interval. Next now see we have to see whether it is of increasing order or decreasing order. Based on that we are finding a frequency. So after finding we need a class frequency. So class frequency already is given us here, that is 4, 11, 29, 40, 46 and 51. Now after that as per your formula, so formula is given as median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by f into h, right? Now here total frequency already is given as 51 girls, right? Now after getting this 51, next you have to see which one is the biggest in this frequency. So 18 is the biggest, just underline it, so that 18 is my F, 11 is CF and 145 is L, and this is the value of N. So all the values I got here. Now substitute in this. Now L is nothing but 145 plus N is 51 divided by 2 minus CF is 11 divided by F is 18 into H is nothing but 5, means height of the class interval. Now here 145 plus, now 51 minus divided by 2 is nothing but 25.5 minus 11 divided by 18 into 5. Now here 145 plus 25.5 minus 11. So here 25.5 minus 11 is nothing but 5, here 4, 14. So 14 by 14.5 divided by 18 into 5. Now multiply this 5 here, you will get 145 plus, if I multiply you will get 72.5 divided by 18. Now cancel this with 18, so you will get 145 plus 1 somewhere in between 4.02. Now add these two. 145 plus 4.2 is 149.02. So like this we are finding a median, right? Okay, now coming to your second problem, calculate median age of 100 policy holders. The ages is given and number of policies is given. If you go through this question, it is same as your previous problem. So here also it is given as below 20, below 25, below 30 and so on, and number of policies 2, 6, 24. So it is of increasing order. Now here you need to find your class interval. So class interval you can write as below 20 and see the difference. Difference is 5. So I can write as 20 to 25. Next to 25 to 30. Next to 30 to 35. Next to 35 to 40. Next to 40 to 45. Next to 45 to 50. Next to 50 to 55. Next to 55 to 60. Next here frequency. So frequency is of increasing order. So I can write this as 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 24 minus 6 is 18. Next to 45 minus 24 is 21. Next 78 minus 45 is 33. Next 89 minus 78 is 11. Next 92 minus 89 is 3. Next 98 minus 92 is 6, and this 2 is 2. So like this we are finding a frequency. And CF is nothing but 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. So total values 100. So next, out of these frequencies, here 33 is a bigger number, so I can underline this so that 33 is F, this is CF, and 35 is L, and this value is N. Now substitute in your formula, that is median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now L value is 35 plus N is 100 by 2 minus 45 divided by 33 into H. H is 5. Now you will get 35 plus, if I divide this you will get 50 minus 45 by 33 into 5. Now here 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5 divided by 33 into 5. Now multiply these two. So 35 plus 25 by 33. Now if I divide, you will get 35 plus, if I divide this with 33 and 25, you will get 0.75. Now if I add, you will get 35.75. So like this you are finding your median. Okay, so your third question is find median of length of 40 leaves of plant. Length of the leaves is given and the number of leaves is given. Right, now see, if you carefully see your class interval, there is one difference in between upper boundary and the lower boundary. So convert this difference of 1 into what we said, remove this difference. Now how to remove this difference? So by subtracting 0.5 into left side and 0.5 into the upper boundary. Now if I subtract 0.5 to the lower boundary and add 0.5 to the upper boundary, so that the difference will be removed. So I can write this as class interval is 117.5 to 126.5, next 126.5 to 135.5, next 135.5 to 144.5, next 144.5 to 153.5, next 153.5 to 162.5, next 162.5 to 171.5, next 171.5 to 180.5. So like this we have removed our difference. Next frequency you have to see whether it is increasing or decreasing. So it is not increasing, not decreasing, so I can treat this as a frequency. Now you have to find CF as usual 3. Now 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 21 29, next 29 plus 5 is 34, 34 plus 4 38, 38 plus 2 40. So here total frequency is 40. So my n value is 40. Now out of this frequency, 12 is the bigger one. So I can underline this so that this is my F, this is CF, and this is L. Now after getting all these value, now substitute in your formula. Now formula is given as median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Right. Now L is given as 144.5 plus n is 40 divided by 2. CF is given as 17 divided by F is 12 into difference between these two values is 9. Right. Now 135 and 126, difference is 9. Now divide this, you will get 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 by 12 into 9. Now here 144.5, 20 minus 17 is 3 into 9 by 12. Now multiply, you will get 144.5 plus 27 by 12. Now if I divide this, you will get 144.5 plus something in between 2.25. Now if I add, you will get 146.5. 7. 5. So like this you are finding a median. Okay, so next question is find median of 30 students weight, right? So weight is given and number of students is given. So this the difference between these two is not you don't have any difference, and your frequency is also is correct. So I can directly find your CF. CF is nothing but 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. Next 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So total frequency is 30. So out of these frequency, 8 is the bigger number. So I can underline this so that 8 is F and 5 is CF and L is 50. This is N. Now substitute. So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here L is nothing but 50 plus N is nothing but 30 by 2 minus CF. CF is 5 divided by F is 8 into H is the difference is 5. Now here 50 plus, if I cancel, you'll get 15 minus 5 by 8 into 5. So you'll get 50 plus 20 by 8 into 5. Now here multiply this, 20 not, this is 10. Now if I multiply, I'll get 50 plus 50 by 8. Now here 50 plus, if I divide with 8, you'll get approximately some 7. So approximately 7 point. So approximately 6.2. Now if I add, you will get 56.2. So like this you are finding your median. Okay, so next question is the median of the data is 525. Find x and y. So here you have some missing terms, so that is x here is there and y is there. So you have to find these two value where the median of the following data is given as 525. Now first you find what is CF. CF is nothing but 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus x. Next 19 plus x. Next 36 plus x. Next 56 plus x. Next 56 plus x plus y. Next 65 plus x plus y. Next 72 plus x plus y. Next 76 plus x plus y, and this total value. So total value is given as 100. So after finding this 100, next you have to see which one is the bigger. 20 is bigger, so I can underline this 20 so that this is F, this is CF, this is L, and this is N. Now as per your formula you substitute. So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now if I substitute, median already they have given 525 plus L. L is nothing but 500 plus N by 2. N is nothing but 100 by 2 minus CF, that is 36 plus X divided by next here F value is 20 into H is 100, height of the class interval. Now after that send this 500 here. If I send this 500, you will get 25 Now if I cancel, you'll get 50 minus 36 minus x by 20 into 100. Now here 25 is equal to 50 minus 36 is somewhere 14 minus x divided by 20 into 100. So in this 0 cancel, 2 5s are. Now 25 is equal to multiply 5, 14 5s are 70 minus 5x. Now after that, send this 70 or 5x here, send this 25 here. You'll get 5x is equal to 70 minus 25. So 5x is equal to, you'll get 45. So x is equal to 45 divided by 5 is nothing but 9. So like this we are finding the missing term of x. So after finding the value of x, you need to find what is the value of y. Now to find the value of y, the total frequency is given us here 76 plus x plus y, and here frequency is given as 100. So I can write this as 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100, where x is nothing but 9. Now substitute in this 9, you will get 76 plus 9 plus y is equal to 100. 76 plus 9 is 85 plus y is equal to 100. Now send this 85 here, so y is equal to 100 minus 85, so y is equal to 15. So like this we are finding the value of x and y. Now if I go for the next one, the median of 60 observation is 28.5. Find x and y, same as the previous one. So here also we have to find the value of x and y, where the median is given as 28.5 and the total observation is 60. So total observation 60, I am writing here as it is. Next here CF is nothing but 5 plus x. Next here 25 plus x. Next here 40 plus x. Next here 40 plus x plus y. Next here 45 plus x plus y. Now after getting this 45 plus x plus y everything, next you have to find the highest frequency in this. Now highest frequency is 20. Just underline this frequency, denote as f. This is CF and this is L and this is n. Now substitute in your formula. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by f into h. So L is nothing but here 20 plus n is 60. 60 by 2 minus CF is 5 plus x divided by f is 20 into h. H the difference is 10. Now here 0 you can cancel. Now here 30. So you'll get 20 plus 30 minus 5 minus x divided by 2. Now median. So already median they have given us 28.5. So I can write as 28.5 here. Send this 20. You will get 8.5 is equal to 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x divided by 2. Now multiply this 2 here. You will get 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Send this x here. Send this 17. You will get x is equal to 25 minus 17. So x is equal to you will get 8. Right. Okay, so after getting the value of 8, x is equal to 8. Now see the last value. So last total cumulative frequency is 45 plus x plus y, where the total frequency is 60. So I can write this as 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60, where x is nothing but 8. Now 45 plus 8 plus y is equal to 60. If I add, you will get here 53 plus y is equal to 60. Now send this 53. So y is equal to 60 minus 53. So y is equal to 7. So like this we are finding the missing terms. Hope you people have understood all these problems. Some of the problems I have not done. You try those problems, and if you are not getting those problems, just write in the comment box so that in the next video I can complete that problems. Right. Thank you. Have a good day.